Well, Mr. Sunil Kumar, Director CBI, other distinguished guests on the dais, and those right across. Good evening to you. In fact, I never knew that I have to speak. I thought I'll come and go back with a lot of knowledge, but unfortunately I was tied up with another conference that is going on. I just took a break and was here. I would have loved to spend some more time here, but nonetheless, it is never too late. Maybe I could go through the topics that have been discussed. It must have been quite enriching. I missed out something. As I said earlier, I'll just make 2 points. In fact, I'll go back to the mundane issues. We have been talking about the use of IT in crime prevention, the use of IT in intelligence generation and gathering and distribution. We are talking about crimes in crowd management, crowd control, and we have also talking of IT in disaster management. No doubt all these are very, very relevant and IT is important. But I am asking a very fundamental question. In fact, I have been working, I was earlier in the government in a very key department. Currently, I am in a PSU, and in that capacity, I have had the privilege of interacting with a large number of PSUs as also industries in the private sector. Sometimes I get the feeling that while we have been talking about IT and IT security, I'm afraid in many of the industries, we still do not have an IT security policy. Sometimes back, as a matter of fact, the CII and the PricewaterhouseCoopers had undertaken a study of about 100 industries in this country, both private and public, both large and small. And this survey brought out very, very revealing features. It said that almost 80% of the industries who came under the purview of the survey did not have an IT security policy. More than 70% of these industries were affected by some kind of IT threat for at least twice, while they were at least twice in the preceding 1 year when the survey was undertaken. Many of these industries did not have any data recovery or disaster recovery plans. And what was even worse was that many of the employees were not sure whether they had a IT security policy, and if so, what were its implications. So much for IT security. I do not know, this was undertaken quite a few years back, whether the situation is improved. I'm currently working in ONGC. We finalized the IT security policy only last year. And an organization like the ONGC could take so much of time in formulating the policy. I do not know what is the state of affairs or what is the status in other industries in this country. Be that as it may, perhaps there is a need for not only the formulation of the IT policy, IT security policy, but its implementation. The Government of India has been issuing instructions from time to time, but many of them are perhaps these instructions go unnoticed, or it remains at the highest level, never percolates down. It is time that somebody earlier said that perhaps the time has not come when you are not being attacked as much as the developed countries. If we think on those lines, then perhaps I'm afraid we can never improve. So therefore, the call of the day would be perhaps formulation and implementation of IT security policy to begin with. And number two, having done that, perhaps there is a need for training and sensitization or awareness, spread of awareness. As I said, many of the industries did not have they were not aware of the IT security policies. So unless this is implemented, people are aware of the magnitude of the threats that loom large on the horizon, the effect of the threats that several industries could be totally incapacitated should there be any strike, not in the physical sense, but in the IT sense. That we need to take certain basic security measures. I'm afraid nothing will happen. I mean, everything will go wrong. Having said that, perhaps therefore what I wanted to convey is that it is time that we formulate the policies, implement, make the people aware of the dangers that are inherent in IT threat to IT security, and the measures that we need to take. Thank you.